to resort. Resort and repeat our merry rhymes, for remember, good folks, 'tis the Christmas times. This Christmas time, as we do now appear, we wish to act our merry Christmas here. For we are merry actors who travel the street. We are merry actors who fight for our meat. We are merry actors who show a pleasant play. Enter in, St. Denis, thou champion, clear the way.
A stately knight, well armed with sword and shield, advances, marching proudly o'er field. Sir Knight, where camest thou? Thy name and country so exclaim. I fear thee not, although thou dost still be, nor for that long sword still I carry thee.
Though thy demands be insolent, yet I condescend thus briefly to reply. A knight am I, and not of known fame. St. George Bull of England is my name. Still in the front of battle foremost found, by field and flood. Martial deeds renowned. Many brave knights have stretched upon the plain.
Yeah, we've heard about that.
Towns have I taken, mighty giants slain. Lately, 'tis indeed a feat to brag on. With this good sword I killed a furious dragon. Deeply enamoured of a lady bright, I travel the world as her knight. More fair, more virtuous, more divine than she.
Keep it up, keep it up.
In any realm or country ne'er shall be. And what I say, I'll prove against any knight, with dint of arm and fierce and mortal fight.
Oscar.
Bring Oscar onto the front.
Sancho, thou talkest like an ass full of conceit, nor will I let thee pass till I have turned thy hide, thy idle boaster. Spite thy swaggering arms and long cheese toaster. A knight of France and Denis famed am I, a foamy pot I surely meet cry, whether I may lower thy lofty forms and bring thee chaos to thy marrow bones. Must confess that on this world so round, les dons of France are still the fairest found.
Thy head from off thy shoulders stood our lock, and that foul mouth of thine forever stop. A knight, an English knight, when coming to the scratch, for two of France is always found.
Oh! What horror! Violence on the streets.
All this without the aid of a saint.
Why the Christmas tree?
I die by a Frenchman's hand. Oh, fate so cruel.
I think I'll be then good, St. George. He's gonna ruin.
Hey, old St. Patrick, Ellen give me birth, in dearest Derry, sweetest place on earth. So on Oceanary, equally I will, to break a head or cut a throat, well skilled, fighting, eating, drinking, toonie traders, with some spare time devoted to the living.
That's not what we
See it? See it, no one calling, yet I must lie, that now and then I daily love a ride. The English George, you very Lord AC, and now, me boy, you'll take a turn with me. Come on, St. Denis, from Brogues of France, and my light bill I'll make ye dance.
For that's how well there's a broken head born in a bog and on potatoes fed. No God, no Murphy shall delight thee more. This weapon sets thee to thy Stygian shore, to put a stopper on your booze and brawl, and rid the world right quickly of a roll. Oh, hooray. Alas, St. Patrick, rather queer I feel. Run from me body by thine Irish steel. Prithee, good fellow, boy, doctor, roar! Or poor St. Denis to trouble me no more.
Oh, are we been up in the house?
Friend, did you call a doctor? I am here. Dr. Edgar is my name. Alternative party policy is my game. And for all sorts of political ills, I've an agenda that'll fit the bill.
And from whence came ye? And have ye a work permit or not?
Oh, contentious spectrum.
What can you cure?
Oh, all political diseases, whatever you pleases. All troubles within and troubles without. The economy, unemployment, and mass strict, no doubt. For the health service, a complete terrific. We've never failed to give a policy specific. The MEO, the radio, the SIB. I can cure all these deeds. When the next bank falls down, I'll have me hat for a quick whip round. Likewise, I pledge my career. I can keep the moaning line going. Well, until next year. Let Miles offer the MEA about. I'll keep the nasty Scottish power out.
And sir, what is your fee?
Well, normally, no fee I look for if I can make no cure. But we need the money to prop up Noble's Hospital, so now I'm not so sure.
I have to be careful here. Aye, pretty good fellows, cease thy bothering cant. A midwife in this case we do not want. Now, Edom's desperate for some female friend, if there be need, I'll jolly recommend. But these wounded knights straight wave them on they care. Stubborn through the guts and mortal fight they wear.
Ah, stabbed through the guts. Now let me see. Is that a new form of STV?
And what else do you carry, Doctor?
Well, luckily, I carry with me my alternative political agenda. A little look at this. Soon Greggor will restore and make them sound and politically active as before.
Now, off this squabble, let our horns, let's join in friendship, and together let us dine. For hungry am I, and well prepared for prog, with no objection to your glass of grog.
Aye, to a good dinner, I've nothing low.
And I've a twist that'll surprise you all.
Here's success to all brave boys of stout and gallant heart. On battlefield and banquet board, prepared to play a part. We handle well the fork and knife, likewise the sword and spear. And we wish you a Merry Christmas and a good New Year. And we wish you a Merry Christmas and a good New Year. And we wish you a good New Year. With hearts our bands confronted to fight, we are not slack. On roast beef and plum pudding we make a stout attack. We handle well the fork and knife, likewise the sword and spear. And we wish you a Merry Christmas and a good New Year. And we wish you a Merry Christmas and a good New Year. And we wish you a good New Year. Now, let's to dinner.
Stop. I wish to know who's to pay for my alternative policies before you go.
Well, now, this morning I had a tenpenny, my dear, but on the road I spent it all in beer, and now I've not a copper in me breeches. St. George, what I can satisfy the chop.
I'm out of rhino, not a rap.
Not I, the doctor, but I'll try to borrow a £1 note soon. Call again tomorrow. Oh, I'm fairly diddled. No cash. No doubt members of the Legislative Council, all three. All a bubble. The doctor's built. Lost is my time and trouble. Good folks, I hope you'll pity this mishap and kindly drop a tester in my cap, that may a Merry Christmas and a good New Year attend you all with plenty of good beer.
Talk amongst yourselves,